Even a small leak can wreak havoc on your home, so once discovered, immediately turn off the water supply to prevent further damage. Here's what you'll need to temporarily fix a leaky pipe using epoxy putty. After turning off the water supply, turn on nearby fixtures to empty the line of any remaining water. Next, dry the leaky pipe and surrounding area. Slightly rough up the area with sandpaper or a wire brush to help boost adhesion. Wipe down the section of damaged pipe with rubbing alcohol to remove any remaining dirt or grime. To activate the epoxy putty, pinch off a 1-inch piece. Knead the light and dark colored material together until it's fully blended and light gray. Next, quickly apply the putty over and around the leaking area at a thickness of 1/2 inch. Taper the edges to ensure a watertight seal, then wipe away any excess putty while it's still soft. Finally, allow the epoxy putty to properly cure before turning the water supply back on. Some pipe repair kits have a special fiberglass tape to temporarily seal a leak. Self-fusing silicone tape can also be used as a temporary fix on low-pressure lines. And repair clamps are often utilized when a leak is located in a straight run of pipe. These easy-to-use products are all excellent temporary solutions for your leaky pipe problem. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.